Good morning, students. Today we will learn some special type of uh, square root like for fraction, decimal and large numbers. First is fraction. If you are asked to find out square root of a fraction, what you have to do? You have to find out square root of numerator and square root of denominator separately. Okay, so square root of 144 by 169, so you will write it square root of 144 and square root of 169. Square root of 144 is 12 and square root of 169 is 13. Okay, so square root of 144 by 169 will be 12 by 13. If a number is like 4 whole 53 by 169, first you have to make it an improper fraction, like 4 into 169 plus 53 by 169. So it will be 729 by 169. So square root of 453 169 will be equals to square root of 729 by 169, and square root of 729 is 27 and square root of 169 is 13. So your answer will be 27 by 13. If you make it a mixed fraction, it will become 2 whole 1 by 13. That is your answer. Okay, so you remember, whenever you are asked to find out square root of a fraction, you have to find out square root of numerator and square root of denominator separately. Next, we have to find out square root of 10020.01. This sum I gave you in the last test. Okay, so we have learned how to find out square root of a decimal number. First you have to make its group. Okay, now this is 1, so 1 ones are 1. Next step is you have to multiply it by 2 and 0 0 will come down. So you have to put a number so that it becomes 0. Only if you put 0, then only it can become 0. Okay, so next is 10 twos are 20. Okay, next you have to bring down this 20. Now 20 is, you put any number, say least number you can put, that is 1. It will be greater than this. So you have to put 0 here. Okay, now next, if you have to bring down this pair, you have to put decimal here, then only you can bring down this 0 1 here. Okay, so next is you have to multiply it by 200, it will become. Next it is 1, so you will put 1 here. This way you will solve it. Another way you can solve this decimal number, you can convert it in fraction. So 10020.01 you can write it as 1002001 by 100. Okay, so you can find out square root of this way also you can do. If you are getting confused, then you can do this way also. Say we have to find out the square root of 3083,536. It's a big number, okay, but the procedure will remain the same. First you have to make the group or put the part, okay. So 3, 1 ones are 1, 2, 1 twos are 2, so 08 will come down. What you can put here? Can put 7 here, so it will become 189. Now 19, next step is the 53 will come down, 17 twos are 34. You have to put a number here, okay. So you can put 5 here, 5 fives are 25, 5 fours are 20, 17, okay. So oh sorry, 3 5, this is 3 5, 210. Next multiply 175 by 2, that is 350, and this 36 will come down. Now you can write 6 here, so it will be 6 6 36, 30, 21. Okay, so square root of 3083,536 will be 1756. You don't get scared if it is a large number. Your procedure will remain the same. You just do step by step. Find the length of the side of a square if the length of its diagonal is 10 centimeter. A square is given, only the information that is given is diagonal is 10 centimeter. You have to find the length of its side. Okay, so you can see this figure. If the side of the square is x, all these side will be of x, because square all 4 sides are of equal length. Okay, so this is, if you say this A, B, C, D is a square whose one diagonal, this AC, is 10 centimeter. You have to find this AD or DC or any one, means all 4 sides are equal in length. Okay, so let's consider it as x, and this ADC will be a right angle triangle because this angle is 90 degree for a square. Okay, so if you consider this triangle ADC, it is right angle at D. Okay, so what you can write, using Pythagoras theorem, we can write x square plus x square equals to hypotenuse square, that is 10 square. Okay, so x square plus x square, it will become 2x square, it is 100. Okay, so x square will be 100 by 2, that is 15. Now what will be the square, that x will be square root of 50. Okay, if you find out its square root, if we factorize it, what we are getting? 50 equals to 2 into 5 into 5. This 5 is in pair, so it can come out of this square root, but 2 will remain inside this square root. Okay, so your answer will be 5 under root 2. Okay, as 5 is in pair, so it will come out, but 2 is not in pair, 2 is alone or it's lone pair, so it will remain under square. Okay, so your answer will be 5 root 2. So that length of its side will be 5 root 2 centimeter. Okay, that's all for today. I'll be giving you one worksheet also. You will solve that. Thank you.